Hey guys, welcome back to another Eric and Myles video. Today, we are looking at a photo shoot that I did with Eric. Eric hadn't gotten his senior photos done yet, so we went to a place called Battle Creek Park and kind of walked around and looked at the landscape, and my mom, who is a photographer, came with us to actually take Eric's senior photos as a grad present to him. So what we did was just walk around the park and look for some spots that had some good scenery and had some good background for taking these senior photos. My mom led that all up. I didn't have anything to do with the senior photos. I just kind of walked around and brought my Fujica AX3 to capture the moment on some film. I was actually shooting this camera for the very first time when I brought it out. And I was shooting on some expired Fujifilm Superior Extra 400 speed. Not all of the pictures turned out very well. I like shooting expired film a lot because of the warping and the weird colors that it gives you. It's just kind of a style that I enjoy, and the weirdness of it kind of lets me identify with it more and make it my own. But for some reason, well, I know the reason. It's expired film and you never know what's going to happen with it, but like half the frames didn't turn out. I got like half a blank rollback afterwards, so the pictures that I did get I really enjoyed, but most of them just didn't turn out at all and I just got blank frames. But overall it was a pretty fun shoot. We just got to kind of walk around the park, and Eric got his senior photos done, and I got to practice some more shooting my film camera and seeing all the working mechanisms of that, and just kind of figuring out how my own settings work and what looks good and what doesn't. And shooting with this expired film might not have been the best idea at the time because I really just wish I would have gotten more frames. There were some pictures that I thought were really good at the time and then were blank when I got my rolls back, and I was really disappointed. So I guess shooting expired film is just pretty dangerous sometimes. You never know what you're going to get out of that. I think what came out was okay. I didn't really feel super gratified by them, but I mean, here they are, and they turned out the way they're going to turn out. So overall it was a pretty fun day. I don't have much to report on it, but I got some pictures that I liked, and Eric got his senior photos done, so that was pretty nice. Anyway, again, this is the film stock I was shooting, Fujifilm Superior Extra. I actually really like shooting on Fujifilm because, I don't know, there's something about the colors that even when it's not expired, they just come out super cool and really crisp and better than a lot of the film stocks that I think I've shot. When it comes to shooting expired film, that's where you gotta be careful.